All right, starting the edition here right now with the breaking news coming in. The first reaction from the Sachin Pilot camp. In fact, what we are hearing after being axed from the Gehlot cabinet, two Pilot loyalists have now spoken out. Ramesh Meena and Vishwendra Singh react after being axed from the Gehlot cabinet. Both were ministers in the cabinet. Now, both of the ministers allege they have been sacked for highlighting the problems within the cabinet. Listen in.
ईमानदारी से काम किया मैंने, उसका नतीजा मुझे ये मिला कि उन्होंने बर्खास्त किया। ऐसा कौन सा हमने पार्टी के खिलाफ या कोई ऐसा अनियमितताएं की या पार्टी के खिलाफ गए, हमारी नाराज़गी थी तो हमने पार्टी के मंच पे बात रखी और पार्टी के मंच पे जो बिंदु थे उनके लिए वही कि हमारी समस्याओं का समाधान करें। जनता से जुड़ी हुई समस्याएं, गरीब से जुड़ी हुई समस्याएं, SC ST से जुड़ी समस्याएं।
हम लोग केवल अपना ध्यान आकर्षण हाईकमान का ध्यान आकर्षित करना चाहते थे कि जो हमारे मैनिफेस्टो में चीज़ें हैं, बिजली हो, पानी हो, आपका कर्जा माफ़ी हो, जिसके लिए जनता ने हमको चुनकर भेजा था, उसको हम 1.25 साल हुआ है हम डिलीवर नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। और आज भी मैं ये सवाल जनता के सामने रखना चाहता हूँ कि हम 3 लोगों की या हमारे साथियों की क्या ऐसी गलती है जिससे कि कांग्रेस पार्टी ने हमको अपने बर्खास्त किया है।
Going across to my colleague Devankur Vadhavan, who's joining us with more details on this. Dev, now minister saying they were only trying to highlight the problems within the party forum. Right now it seems that the perception battle is on and they don't want to come out as the villains in any way.
Well, Ankit, Ramesh Meena has been a food and civil supplies minister in Ashok Gehlot government. Vishwendra Singh has been his senior colleague as the tourism minister. Once upon a time in Rajasthan politics, he was considered extremely close to Ashok Gehlot, but of late he was closer to Sachin Pilot, was considered a staunch loyalist of Sachin Pilot and had his own grievances. Now, you know, under the Pilot camp, since Pilot turned rebel, several of these factions in Rajasthan politics which belong to Congress and had their own grouses, whether for not being given the prominent enough cabinet portfolio or for other reasons, they all came under Pilot camp, and somehow after this entire factional feud came out in the open, Gehlot camp perhaps found this as an opportunity to ensure that all the factions were weeded out, so to say, and strong action was taken. You know, this was as unceremonious an exit as one possibly could have imagined at this stage for Sachin Pilot. He has been removed from not just the Deputy Chief Minister's post, but also from the post of the Pradesh Congress Committee Chief. He was the longest serving PCC Chief in Rajasthan.
That's right.
And he was the one who was at the helm of affairs when Vasundhara Raje government was there and was credited for ensuring that Congress came into power. But the kind of factional feud and the kind of ego tussle, acrimonious, bitter feud between Gehlot and Pilot that broke out, something like this was on the anvil, and it would have happened sooner rather than later, if not today.
But Dev, you know, Mr. Gehlot today would be a happy man. He pushed Sachin Pilot to the brink, to the point of no return, and there is absolutely no, space left for him to retrace his steps back. Dev, thank you for joining us. I also would like to introduce our consulting editor Rajdeep Sardesai, who is joining us for more perspective on this story.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.